Hey everyone, Johan here from Wing Toolbox. We had a great time meeting and seeing everyone at the Cin7 Summit. But if we missed you for some reason, or you couldn't be there, you didn't see a demo, this is the right place. So today we're going to look at a no-code 3PL fulfillment. So imagine you have a smaller 3PL company who sends you a CSV file via email, maybe once a day. And so, there's not a big EDI integration or anything crazy. We just got to get an email, grab the attachment, and check the CSV file. So inside Wink, we'd have a AI agent automation action, and just want to show you that you can select any AI model that you prefer. If you want the latest and greatest, go for it. If you want to use something that's maybe a bit cheaper to run, you don't need crazy accuracy, that choice is 100% with you. And then this agent has access to the normal Wink automation tasks that are available. So this is kind of like putting guardrails in place. So you can see that, for instance, we're telling this agent you can create a customer, you can send an email, but you can't go and delete a product or anything like that, or delete something. So you can really put in the limits and the safeties that you want for this action. Then inside our AI connector, you will see that we have a concept of a playbook. So this is like a standard operating procedure, like the typical SOPs that you might put into your business. And these are written in plain English. So for instance, this example we're going to do, we've created a document in here to show like, hey, this is what you're going to be doing. Now, for this was a demo. So we're actually saying, set up a sales order to test with first, create a user for the attendee, but that'll take to do the proper processing, go through the CSV line by line, and, pick it, pack it, and ship it. Make sure it is authorized. So basically you set all this, you just write out this document, and in fact, the AI can actually help you improve it. It will give you feedback on if it runs into any troubles and you need to improve your processes. So let's jump into the actual demo. So our automations can be triggered for a variety of things. Now, this is a demo setup, so it gets triggered via a webhook and will follow along. But you can have an incoming email, can trigger it, so we can grab an attachment, and this is essentially what will be sent to it. So it will send it out, grab it out, and then send the CSV file. And you can see that there are 3 line items in the CSV file, and there's a shipping tracking number that's been sent, and hopefully we can update this test order that we're creating with it. The playbook also has notes to ignore any lies for sales orders it can't find. So it won't find, it won't do anything at the first and the third one, but this middle one it's going to find and allow us to update it all automatically. Okay, so let's go. And we can follow along here. You can see how it starts running. It is submitting the query to the automation engine. And it is now looking for those playbooks. And it found 2 different ones because we had 2 3PL ones. And it says, okay, I need to pick the CSV one. And so it tells me we've got the playbook and it is starting to go through it. So now it's trying to see if it can find me in the system. It did find me. Now it's creating a test order for us so that we can actually fulfill it. And so you see it's awaiting fulfillment. And here we go. Now it's going to go and go through that CSV file one by one and look up each individual sales order to see if it can find it. So it says it couldn't find this one, right? So it's skipping it. So now the second one is the one that it should be able to find. Let's give it a few seconds here. There we go. So we can see it did a pick and then a pack, and now it's putting into ship, and that's done. It has finished this order, and we've actually given it instructions to send an email as well with the notification. Actually, it's still looking for that last CSV entry, which it won't find. And then it should send me the notification email. So there we go. Done. And we are all finished. And so I can go straight into Cin7 and look up this sales order. Once it loads, there you can see it's the sales order. It was for me. If I look in the logs, you can see how it's gone from picked, packed, and shipped. You can see it all came through the API. If I go into the shipping, you can see there's that UPS and the tracking number has been put in. And yeah, that is it. So let's see if so I got an email. And when I go in Gmail, I can see I got the email and it's got the same carrier and tracking number in here. And this is all automatically generated. Well, thank you for watching. If any of this seems of interest to you, if you want to use AI in Cin7 today and not wait for in the future, get in touch with us. Just go to wingtoolbox.com and we'll get you going. Thank you very much.
Bye.